everybody, and my friend Miss Rain is visiting me again.
Hello friends!
We're going to talk about weekly 4.2. We're going to continue our conversation about angles, and this week we're going to show you how to measure them using a protractor, which is also a skill that you've done in the past, so this is just a review. Hopefully you remember, or maybe this will help you refresh. And this is our first angle. Let me find a protractor. For me, the easiest way is to find this point right here and line that up with the point where the two rays come together. And we're measuring the part that has the black line through it. This is the part we're measuring, not the outside part, but this small part in the middle. Then if I rotate it, and I want my straight line to line up right here with my first line, then I follow along, and wherever the second line cuts it, which in this case is 30 degrees, that will be the measure of my angle. Be careful as you're looking at these, because it is at 150 and 30 together. But if you think back to last week's weekly, we know it has to be an acute angle, therefore we know it has to be between 0 and 90, and it can't be 150. So you always have both of them on there, just be careful which one you're using. You want to try one?
Sure.
How about this one?
Okay, so let's get our protractor and we'll line them up there. And I want the first line to match 0, and then our second line, am I reading that right? It's at 124 degrees, 124 degrees, which makes sense to me because when I look at that, I know it's an obtuse angle, so it should be more than 90.
Yep, that looks great.
All right, so then that.
Nice job. And as you just saw, I started on the right line, and I went to the left. Miss Rain started on the left and went to the right. It doesn't matter which way you go. The protractor is lined up so that you can use it from either side, whichever one you feel more comfortable with. Let me find one more. Again, I'm going to take my protractor. I'm going to line it up right on my points so that they're connecting right there. I'm going to line it up to 0. And if I go all the way through, again, I'm going to start at 0, not at 180. So I'm looking at my lower numbers, and this seems to be 70 degrees.
Awesome.
I think this is really easy. I think we can do this.
Oh, this one looks a little bit difficult.
It also looks really upside down.
It does.
So again, what we're looking at is this part. We're measuring this part here. Not necessarily everything that's always on top, but wherever this circle is. Let me get you a protractor.
All right. And we're still going to,
We can make a really big protractor.
So we're still going to line it up at our vertex there. And I like to start with this one. And I'm reading this one. Oops.
Yes.
I'm reading this one at exactly 170 degrees.
Sounds great.
Sounds easy enough to me.
I think next week we're going to come back and we're going to talk about how we can construct angles. So if I tell you to draw an angle that is 170 degrees, you're going to create one that looks just like that. So we will see you then.